Hello everyone, Brandon here at Impeccabilities, powered by Kai Zinc. Today I'm just going to be showing some daily maintenance that should be getting done on the Cobra. So there's two ways that you could go about cleaning lint off of the press, which would be, your duster here. One that I like to do, that I prefer, is using the air hose just to blow all the lint out and off of the press onto the floor, so that way we can just take the big duster and go around the floor and just get it all up in one go. But I would like to show how you would attach this to the press. So this is labeled on both presses, but this top hose here, labeled FFS1, that's the one that you're going to disconnect and plug into this little opening right there. And again, we have this labeled on both presses, so I'll show this one too. Again, it's going to be this top hose that you use the hose for, and I'll show it working here in a second. So all you want to do to make this work is you'll just push this orange tab in, and then you'll pull on the black, and you can hear the air coming out. But that black hose, it's the same concept. You'll just plug it in here, and then when you're finished, it's like the orange tab. You'll push down on it and then pull it out. And then this thing will get air flowing through it, and you'll just kind of want to go around the press, blowing off lint, dust, any debris, and that way it just goes to the floor and you can clean it up all in one go. Thank you.